The Snowstorm by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Announced by all the trumpets of the sky, arrives the snow, and, driving o'er the fields, seems nowhere to alight. The whited air hides hills and woods, the river and the heaven, and veils the farmhouse at the garden's end. The sled and traveler stopped. The courier's feet delayed, all friends shut out. The housemates sit around the radiant fireplace, enclosed in a tumultuous privacy of storm. Come and see the north wind's masonry, out of an unseen quarry evermore. Furnished with tile, the fierce artificer curves his white bastions with projected roof. Round every windward stake, our tree, our door, speeding the myriad-handed, his wild work, so fanciful, so savage. Not cares he for a number or proportion, mockingly, on coop or kennel he hangs Parian wreaths. A swan-like form invests the hidden thorn, fills up the farmer's lane from wall to wall. Maugre the farmer's sighs, and at the gate a tapering turret overtops the work. And when his hours are numbered, and the world is all his own, retiring, as he were not, leaves when the sun appears, astonished art to mimic in slow structures, stone by stone, built in an age the mad wind's night work, the frolic architecture of the snow. And whether you look on the minute or the large scale of some of this stuff in nature, the seeming design is just, it does something to you. And you end up thinking of stuff. We spend so much time in front of the television and all that sort of stuff that laying around out in the woods, we don't realize that our sandy plain or whatever the terrain, we don't realize that we're ready to be more than comfortable with those inputs too.